welcome back to the vlog. So we in the kitchen, y'all. We are making a whole chicken. We're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna season it real good. Get the outside nice and crispy, inside nice and juicy. So that's what we're about to do. So we got our chicken right here. Hopefully y'all can see it.
Hopefully y'all can know what it is.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Baby girl right here. She about to help me. Y'all already know how I feel. So I don't know if she gonna really touch this chicken because hands go in the mouth and all that. Ugh. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and y'all. I try to clean it the best I can, but evidently I didn't because I still see freaking what you call these things? Feathers. The wings, feathers. I said the wings. The wings supposed to be on there. The feathers. Ugh. I mean, I know it's gonna cook off, but oh my gosh, you just trying to clean this to perfection is just not gonna work. Okay, so we about to go ahead. We're gonna season this chicken. We're gonna get it nice and seasoned. Nice and seasoned. And then we're gonna put the butter on there. I want you to put the butter first.
I wonder we should
put it inside.
Try to remember.
You put it inside.
Yeah, we're gonna put the seasoning on here too. See, we're gonna put some butter inside so you can taste all the flavors all through. We're just gonna season it like this. Y'all, I gotta get some gloves because I noticed I'll be all over the place in the kitchen. And having gloves just make it a little bit easier. A little bit easier.
To be like a chef.
But we're gonna do this. We're gonna dive in.
We'll dive into this when we get
We're just gonna season it real good so we all the flavors.
Can I help rub it?
No, I don't want you to touch the chicken, Mama.
Why?
Because I mean, I know you're gonna wash your hands, but you be doing the most, Mama. You can just watch Mommy do it real quick.
No. But then I'm gonna help do this.
You gonna help me put it in the pan? How about that?
No.
You can lift it.
No.
She said no, y'all. This is kind of messy. How about you get the spoon and sprinkle the seasoning on there? How about you do that? So I'm about to keep on. That spoon right there. How about you sprinkle it over here? Can you do that for me?
Yeah, Mom.
All right, let's see. Good job. Okay, put it on there. Because I don't want you to touch this raw meat like that. Come on, sprinkle it on there. Put it on this side, on this wing. On this wing. There you go.
Now on this other wing.
Okay, hold on. Let's do the...
I'll do a pose on them.
Over here, over here. She put it on the... Mama, on the chicken. I ain't got that much room on my phone, so we gotta do this pretty quick.
OMG, guys.
Y'all, everything is gonna bother me about this chicken. I'm gonna try to clean it. Okay, wait. We can't use our seasoning.
I am super jealous about this chicken.
You're jealous? Don't be jealous about a chicken, girl. We're about to eat. No more. Wait.
No
okay,
more.
hold on, y'all. Hold on.
More.
Let me get this over here, Mama. Hold on, because we need that seasoning for the middle.
Yeah, in the middle.
Oh, I ain't gonna be. Let me see. Can I do it this side? Z, you want to come help?
I guess.
Come and get your hands dirty. Go wash your hands and come.
As long as I don't have to get my hands dirty.
What you think? What you say?
I don't have to get my hands dirty.
You don't have to get them dirty?
I have to.
Okay, wait, hold on. Come back here. No, not yet. Sit back down for a minute. Wait. Come here, Mama. Okay, come here.
He took it away.
Okay, don't take it away. Give it back. Give it back. You gonna rub, I said. Go wash your hands. You about to rub it on here real good.
Rub?
Yes, you're gonna rub. You don't want to rub?
No.
You don't want to rub the chicken?
No.
No.
Okay, let her hold that. Get another spoon. Kids are something else, y'all.
It smells like...
It's smelling good already. And all we got is some seasoning. We got some multiple. Oh, see, that you could do. Bring the seasons that we used. Bring that.
Which ones?
Just bring them and put them in front of the camera. I can
Which
say
ones?
all the ones in the front.
Oh.
Put the spoon down. So I'm going to show y'all all the seasons we used. All the ones in the front is what we used. Not the glass. Them two, yeah. The seasoning salt. So I'm going to show y'all all the ones we used. This is going to be a good, juicy chicken, baby. Okay, so brace them up so I can say what as we go. I use seasoning salt. Bring it a little closer so they can see the frame. Okay, seasoning salt. We use rotisserie chicken. We use some meat tenderizer. Are you watching what you're doing? Please bring it more this way. There we go. Some thyme. Mama, do not touch chicken with that.
I won't.
Some black pepper. Some lemon pepper. And onion powder. Or was that garlic?
Garlic.
Garlic powder and onion powder. So that's all I used. I was trying to see what else I wanted to spice it up with, but I couldn't think. So we just gonna use that.
Mom, why didn't cut it?
Okay, Z gonna have to do this. Come on, Z.
Do it.
Sprinkle this. Oh, when you finish, sprinkle the seasoning inside the middle.
I got it.
Yeah. The middle looks so gross.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, hey. Okay, Mama, your spoon.
I told you.
Cut it out.
He made me draw.
How did he make you do it? Two of them in there, Z. You go rub it in there?
Oh.
You not? No. Scoop it. Just two is enough. Don't touch the other stuff. Okay. Not all of it, Z. We still need it. We still need that. Because I'm going to put the butter. Okay. You don't want to see? Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
More?
No, that's enough.
What if it's still more?
No, we don't need all that. You didn't want to help.
Okay. Don't use my headphones.
He didn't want to help rubbing the chicken, y'all. He didn't want to help. Don't touch his stuff.
But he's not letting me do it.
Then you do what? You can't even do the middle. You spilled it. That was your fault.
Okay, y'all, we got this chicken. Hey, you guys, we got the chicken. No more seasoning, please.
I told you.
I have enough right here.
I told you, Lundy.
We got enough.
Can I help put the butter in the middle?
Nope. All right, y'all, hold on a second. Let me clean my hands. I'm going to get right back dirty, but I didn't want to touch the butter.
So we'll get everything back over started again. You didn't pause it.
You on camera, Mama. Please stop.
Stop. Before you fall again.
Okay.
Give me that paper towel over there, my brother.
Okay.
Please don't knock that drink over. Come on. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get some butter on here.
And let's get back to the thing.
I think I probably should melt this butter. Hold on real quick. Hold on, y'all. This is what the chicken is looking like. It's about to go in the oven. And we'll see y'all when it get done, okay? Be back. Okay, y'all. So here is the chicken. Your girl did that, okay?
I'm a chicken.
Your girl did that. She made that chicken. It looks so scrumptious. Look at that.
It looks
Little
so
veggies.
juicy.
Back up a little bit. Little veggies.
It looks so